Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger bubble not showing. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Messenger, and here you need to click on Messenger and you need to update your Messenger application. So once you complete that step, you simply need to go back and your issue will be solved. But let's suppose you are still facing an issue, so you simply need to go into the settings, go into the app management, and then you need to click on app list and you need to search your Messenger. Click on that, and after that you need to click on storage and cache. So the first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that you need to allow all permissions from here, and after that your issue will be solved. But let's suppose you are still facing an issue, so you simply need to go and open Messenger, and once you are in Messenger you simply need to click on three bars on the top left. From here you need to click on this gear icon, then you need to scroll down and here you can see chat heads, so you simply need to go and active that, and you need to go to settings, and from here you need to turn that on in the Messenger. So after that your issue will be solved. So this is the complete process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.